Hey, how's it going? RideBMX.com. My name's Alfredo-Mancuso. I'm 21 years old.
I'm sponsored by KHE Bikes and Epic Ride Shop.
And this is my bike check.
Riding the KHE Phil Aller Signature Series frame. It's called the Barbados. It's a 20.625 top tube, and it comes in a cool mint green. Following that, I have the Cirrus forks. They have the KHE logo on the dropout. Next up, I'm riding the new KHE Armel hub, and it's the flangeless hub where the spokes are kind of hidden. They also include a plastic hub guard. I have the KHE Construct pedals, the new KHE rotor sprocket, KHE bimetal pegs. I'm riding the Tech 77 lever with the Dragonfly cables, the Odyssey glow-in-the-dark linear cable. It's connected to the London mod piece, and all that is pulling the Demolition brakes. I'm riding the Animal Cush seat, the pivotal post, and the Coalition seat clamp. For the rear setup, I have the KHE Die Here cassette hub, and it's being pulled by the KHE hollow half-link chain and the KHE two-piece Hindenburg cranks. I'm riding the KHE foldable dirt tire in the front, and in the rear, I'm riding the KHE park tire. I'm riding the KHE pyramid grips. The bars I'm riding are the bar stem combo. KHE kind of took a survey and noticed that about 75% of riders ride their handlebars in this position, which is pretty much parallel with the forks. It's a really light setup. There's only one bolt that moves the whole piece. As far as modifications go, cut off the excess of axles. The frame didn't come with the gyro tabs, so we tapped the frame there. Cut the seat post down in there, cut the steer tube. My favorite type of riding really is trails. I don't really get to ride as many trails as I'd like to. As of lately, I've been riding a whole lot of street and skate park in between. As of lately, I've been going through spokes the most. Before that, I had been going through like cranks and sprockets. Try to keep my bike sounding pretty dialed, as in like the chain and like the cables without rattling or whatnot. But I recently broke some nipples and they're stuck in the hoop, so sounds like I have change in my bike.